actually inside. Now it feels silly. I'm always going on and on about the Irish wit, and today I wanted to do something a little outside of the norm and do a compilation of reactions to Storm Lorenzo. Here you go.
Remember when Ophelia came, shops were lifted out of it. I'm going to go into Barclay and there'll be no bread, no milk, no butter, no nothing.
What am I supposed to do when the... Attention, all Irish gamers. Storm Lorenzo is on the way. So I beseech you, all of us, we must get ourselves some hairdryers and stick them out the windows to blow it away.
Hey! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's the one and only Eagle Double G. No one told you life was gonna be this way. The job's a joke, you broke. Do not make any unnecessary journeys.
Dang it.
I see the type of person you are.
Dang it.
Content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this kind of thing, do give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Otherwise, a storm will come your way. Feel free to engage with one another in the comments in a respectful way and stay safe and dry indoors. Bye.